baby bear? I'll bring it back. No, I won't.
Ram Trucks has aired its teaser for Super Bowl commercial 2025. Glen Powell will play in Ram Trucks Super Bowl commercial 2025. In this commercial, Glen Powell ripping a Baby BR license plate off a Ram truck, saying, "Don't worry, baby bear, I'll bring it back." Glen Powell has an ongoing relationship with Ram that has included starring in narrating commercials. Ram Trucks will be the advertiser of Super Bowl 2025.